name is SolloMoon, and I will read you a short story about two birds, Norma and Nancy. Once upon a time, the birds Norma and Nancy start sing at the same time. Then Norma said, "You don't know how to sing." Nancy answered for her, "How dare you? You not even know the rhythm." And they start a competition.
Guys, stop fighting immediately. You both sound not good. Can you not sing something beautiful together like a good friends?
Norma answered, "I can, but she not. I'm better singer than you. I'm better." "Stop fight, you two. Let's try to sing something together." They look at each other and start beautifully sing. Wow, such a beautiful story. I hope you like it.